2020 has been a year none of us saw coming. It's tested our resolve and stretched our limits. But what do you do when faced with seemingly insurmountable obstacles? Well, you dig in your heels and you face the challenges head on with a network of support by your side.
Hey, this is Katie calling from Wounded Warrior Project.
Hey Dan, this is Chris from Wounded Warrior Project. How are you today?
Yeah, no, I hear you. It's definitely interesting times for everyone.
We are live!
Welcome to the workout of the day. 5, get those legs up.
Great job, keep it moving.
The $1,000 relief grant that I was given through Wounded Warrior Project, it was like crossing a small stream and another rock popping up in front of me to get me across that stream. That's just what they do, they take care of their warriors.
I'm passionate about supporting Wounded Warrior Project because they just have a love for veterans and for people like me who may not have outside scars, but I have inside scars.
Brian joined the military because he had that drive to be a part of something bigger than himself. Working on this special adaptive housing bill is just another extension of that desire.
Wounded Warrior Project is proud of those we serve for their courage and resilience this past year. And we're incredibly grateful to the thousands of donors who make our mission possible through these difficult times, especially our loyal Advance Guard members just like you. No matter what the future brings, we stand ready to serve wounded warriors and their families with greater determination than ever before.